up, good people? Well, today is the day we've been dreading. It's leg day. For us, we have awful knees. Mine were tore up in the Marine Corps, while Daryl Ann's was tore up by what?
Torn meniscus.
Ouch. So yeah, so it makes leg day pretty hard for us, but we try to get it done. You know, never skip leg day. So I'm gonna show you some movements that that we do. We may not go ass to grass like some of those people out there will tell you, if you're not going ass to grass, you're not doing it right. But we go as far as we can. You go to your own abilities and don't overdo it so you don't tear anything again. So hope you enjoy this video. See you later.
that was our first leg day of the year. It was good. We did better than we thought we would. Our squats were pretty good considering. Like we were saying, if you hear people always tell you to go ass to grass on your squat, or you hear it all over the internet and stuff. Just go as far as you're capable of, because you don't want to do that and end up hurting yourself. I mean, there are stretches and other techniques to improve your flexibility to get to that point of getting a lower squat. But there's tons of research saying it doesn't really matter as long as you're parallel, and that works your quads and your glutes and your hamstrings, all those good muscles. So when you want to do a deeper squat, try to get some shoes. They sell some shoes that have a little arch or a little incline where your foot's kind of lifted in the back. It helps you go deeper. Or you can put plates underneath your feet to help you go deeper. There's a bunch of stuff. You just gotta research it yourself and find out what's best for you. And we did that when we were doing our routines, and taking 3 months off almost on the squat is not good, because we're right back where we came from. So how was your...
In the beginning, we're right back where we came from in the beginning. Especially me, I haven't had a leg day since last year. Well, actually the beginning of December, I think, but today's leg day just killed me. Like we said in the beginning of the video, we both have bad knees. Had a torn meniscus before, and I'm always kind of like freaked out about like
squatting
lower. That just kind of freaks me out all the time. And like he was talking about getting shoes and just different stuff that will help you, like with your, what is it called, like your depth or something. There's also like,
we got knee wraps. We use those quite a bit when we're squatting heavy. We don't really use them if we're just doing our 10 to 12 rep range. But if we drop down and we start doing like more of a strength routine, where our max rep would be 4 to 5, because we're gonna load the weight up. So we'll put on our our knee wraps, or
our belts.
Yeah, our squat belts, and we'll get to it. I mean, invest in a good squat belt. We got some that are intermediate, a Nike squat belt. I mean, it works. That's all you need. One that works. You could get some online that costs quite a bit, and I mean, they're worth it if you're squatting that much. We only squat maybe once a week. When we were doing our strength routine, we were doing it twice a week. We were also doing deadlifts, like really seriously. And now that we're getting back into trying to cut down on our weight and more of the hypertrophy point of it, we're not really going heavy, but we're going to fatigue our muscles. But other than that, when you're doing your leg routines and all that, just go and do what you're capable of, and you should be all right. And if you have bad knees, follow the doctor and all the other stuff. You see our daughter back here. We're back at home after our workout. Like I said, we both have awful knees, and do what you're capable of, and listen to your body. That's the most important thing. If you're feeling fear, get a squat partner, or get a a buddy,
a spotter.
Spotter.
Get yourself a spotter, or just ask somebody.
Yeah.
at the gym.
Don't try to. I don't want to see any of y'all on gym failures or you know, all that other stuff. But if you you know, have any suggestions on, you know, how to, you know, reduce the inflammation, you know, what ways you squat that will help us, you know, leave it in the comments below, and we'll check them out. You know, probably put them to use, and we'll give you a shout out. And until then, you have anything else?
No.
All right, well, we'll see you on the next workout, and coming soon will be our whole eating, you know, healthier portion. So
Say
see
hi,
you then.
Bailey.
Hey, peace. Later.